Hi, so on this video I'm going to show you how to do your timeline. So the event timeline is one of the most important parts of your wedding day. This is where you will input your pickup addresses, your song choices, your speeches, and everything else that needs to go in there. So if you click on event timeline, you can see that I've already imported one based on a 2 o'clock wedding. So this is where you can put your centerpiece choice, ceremony inside or outside, wedding car, Porsche, minibus pickup, your bow colours, ceremony entrance songs, sign in the register songs, ceremony exit songs, daytime entrance song, speeches, and who's speaking and in what order, um, your grand evening entrance song, your first dance song, have you ordered Dancing on Clouds, and if you've got the wedding car return address. If there's anything that's missing off there, for example, like a pair run dance, you can click on the actions button and add an entry to the timeline. So you probably notice, having a quick look at this, some of the sections have a lock by them. That means because they're locked by us, so those times can't necessarily change, because that's the kind of order that the day needs to go, simply for the caterers and everything else and for staffing. So this is where you can edit it. So like your ceremony exit song, you can see isn't locked down. So you can click on the pencil option here and just write it in here. Once you've done that, click the save button and you can see the ceremony exit song. It's now got it there. Once your timeline is done, press actions, send section for revision. Once you're happy with it, press OK, and that will automatically send it over to us to approve it. Again, if you ever need to get back to your homepage, you click the Sonas logo at the top.